how to get free shipping on CnFans. So if you want to get free shipping on CnFans, then there are lots of ways to get free shipping. Number one is that you need to look for free shipping promotions. So check if CnFans is currently offering any free shipping promotions. This could be limited time or only for specific events where the waive shipping cost. You can usually find such promotions on the homepage or banner ads within the platform. The number two is you can join the membership program. If CnFans has a loyalty card or premium membership, joining that may grant you access to free shipping on all or selected orders. And number three is you can use free shipping coupon. You can search for free shipping coupons that you can apply while you check out. CnFans may also offer codes during promotions or special events. Keep an eye on their official news letter site or social media channels for coupon announcements. So that's how you can get a free shipping on CnFans. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.